Hey guys, welcome back to another quick editing tip with Straight Outta Content. Today, I have a few sections in my video that are kind of long. Actually, they're really just pauses. And I don't really like pauses. I kind of like to keep things flowing. And you can really chop up or make your sound a lot better doing a few of these steps. So, if you hear me play this section right here,
they have, maybe you guys should definitely buy one. My followers, if you're watching this and you need a Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, or Ram.
You hear how there's kind of a pause between Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, or Ram. There's kind of a pause. So what I do to eliminate that, we're going to go over here, we're going to shrink this. You see I've already done it. Every time you see a gap, a line, think of it like a heartbeat. Think of this like a heartbeat. This is your audio line. So think of this like a heartbeat. So it's going and it's hearing my voice, and all of a sudden it flattens out. What you want to use is on your Mac. This also works on PC. Shout out to Trey Sells Cars because he was featured in the video today, and his video is actually coming out as well. You want to hit C for cut. That's going to turn your cursor into a razor blade, and you want to tap here and you want to tap there. Now, you can go all the way here and cut right there, but that's actually going to cut out a small piece of audio. So a tip that I like to use is leave a little bit of a gap right there. So I want to cut right, we have the sound wave, and then it flattens out, and then we cut. As well for this section right here, we have the flat part, and then it starts to go up right about there where that little blip is. But we want to cut right before that. So this way the sound is very smooth and it goes in there. You can also do this to cut so you have somebody saying well, you can cut you can cut sneezes. I mean, you can basically edit anything using this and making it very clean and cut. So again, we're going to play it. I'm going to go back to V. I'm going to tap V to get me back to my cursor, and we're going to play it, see how it sounds.
Chrysler, Jeep, or Ram.
You see the pause, Chrysler, Jeep, or Ram. So now we're going to take our cursor. We're going to tap on all of those sections that are just flat, because we don't want flat. I'm going to press delete there. Press delete there. Press delete there. And even though there's a little audio there, I am going to delete the section because I know this isn't words. This is just sound from the outside when we play the clip.
Definitely hit up Trey.
When we play the clip, you can see that my audio starts here, not there. So we can safely remove this as well. So and delete that. Boom. Now, we can't play this video because if we play this video, look what will happen.
Chrysler, Jeep.
So we don't want to do that. So we need to combine all of these together. So let's go and do this. Drag all of these together. Drag these together. Boom. Now listen to how it sounds.
Chrysler, Jeep, or Ram. Definitely hit up Trey.
It gives it that kind of quick chop. Look, we'll press it again.
A Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, or Ram.
See, a lot faster, a lot crisp. It's Chrysler, Dodge. I don't know what the heck I said, but yes, that's what. Let me do it again.
A Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, or Ram.
There we go. A Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, or Ram. A lot faster. There's not any gap or anything like that. So, and like I said, if I were to say if I'm thinking on camera and I'm still filming, I can still edit that out too and make everything very snappy. So again, that's just a quick tip here of how to edit air pockets or silent pieces of your audio in between words to make it a lot smoother. You see I also have another gap right there, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish this video. But again, guys, this was a quick editing tip. I like to make these while I edit and then upload them to Instagram and my YouTube, just so you guys can see how I do my editing process whenever I'm editing videos, and maybe you guys can learn something. If you have any questions, DM me Straight Out of Content on Instagram, Straight Out of Content on YouTube, and definitely contact Trey Sells Cars if you need any type of vehicle. He specializes in Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, and Ram. But They also have other cars there, so definitely contact him. That's all of his information. Yeah, let's go ahead. That's all of his information, so definitely contact him. And let me go ahead and finish this video. You guys know my slogan: be safe and be basic. Peace.